Alright guys, welcome back to Flight for Hype, and as you can see, Travis Scott just dropped a bunch of merch with his drinkcacti.com. Now if you actually type in like the CJ Travis Scott, this is what's going to come up, and you can see that he definitely has like a new line cacti, which I think pays homage to his new drink, and which is also a alcoholic beverage. Check this out guys, this is actually sick. I really like this actually. You've got the Cacti Agave Spiked Seltzer, 100% blue agave tea. It's got the ingredients. It says lime, pineapple, strawberry with the 7% alcohol. Painted sign tea. This is going for $48 USD. Canadian, expect to pay those duties, you already know. And give me 1 second. Let me just turn off this fan. Okay, there we go. So, check this out everybody. You do see that you have that t-shirt. This also comes in black as well, which is sick. You do see that it's got the same thing, kind of, but it's a black t-shirt. It's got the cacti on the top of the t-shirt and has all these crazy graphics. And I'm guessing the 3/15/21 is when I think it's going to drop. So that's really sick. This is actually dope. You got the agave spiked seltzer. This is this neon sign, which is sick. I would actually cop this for real. It's just that, I don't know, that's kind of a lot for just a sign, but it is really sick. Like, this is actually a really dope item. This is going for $350 right now. That's actually sick, man. Ooh, okay, I'm actually thinking about that. Moving on, again, you got the down to earth tea, and this is in more of like a brownish colorway, like a washed brown, which is sick. We got the Cacti Icon Ice Tray, $25, and you can actually just use this for ice. That's actually dope. I'm sure a lot of people on Instagram are going to be flexing with these. If you know, you know. So, that's pretty sick. You got the out of this world flavor. This is actually dope. Looks like a vintage tea. This is called the commercial tea, $48. Not too bad. This is actually dope. And it looks like it has like a vintage commercial, which is sick. That's actually really creative. I like that. We've got the Cacti Icon rubber coasters, pack of 4 for $45 USD. That's dope. I would actually cop that just to have like I don't know, just like take a picture with it, have some aesthetic. If you have your friends over and you know one of them want to take and teeth one of your coasters, you'll probably end up with like one at the end of the night. But whatever, you've got that. Now you got brace of impact tea, which is dope. $48. You can see there. It's got like a hole, which is cool, and you see that it's got the basically like a hole there. Yeah, it says down to earth ingredients. Oh, cool, and it's got the little cacti logo. That's actually a really creative way to do that. That's dope. We've got the spike tea, and you've got the drinks there. It says put some spike in your life, 7%, and then it's got the ingredients on the bottom right in a nice washed green colorway. We've got the Cacti Mono Seal Heritage long sleeve tee, $68. I actually like this. This is actually dope. The only thing about this, like, is like I want to cop these so bad, but I'm still waiting for my PS5 merch, and that's gonna take forever. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but yeah. So that's why I'm doing this review right now for you guys. You know. You've got this Cacti Mono Heritage crew neck. This is nice and clean. Nice and clean. Like, I don't know. I feel like there's a back to it. Let me check. Yeah, you got the cacti in the back. That is super fire. Super fire. Oh yeah, that's super fire. And you can see closely too, it's got the puff print, which is nice as well. Yeah, really cool. That's really dope, guys. This, oh yeah, this is what I want. Cacti Icon Heritage crew neck. If I was gonna cop something right now, it would probably be this. I love the colors on this. $88. Ships in 5 to 6 weeks. Okay, that's not too bad. So what, like a month and a half? That's not too bad. Oh shoot. Okay, here we go. We've got the Cacti Mono Seal hoodie with the $95. Not too bad as well. Sorry guys, I just realized I could click on it and I can see the back of everything. But you do see there, you've got again the ingredients on the back with the cacti, and you got the front, which is fire. This is nice too. It's a nice blue wash, I guess. $95. Can't go wrong. Really don't. What just dropped here? What just dropped here? Ooh, those are fire too. Okay, let's go back to here. Oh, okay. Check this out. Here we go. We've got the Cactus Oasis hoodie. Oh, that is fire. That is actually really dope. Made with 100% premium blue agave, which has all the ingredients once again. That is really cool. $95. That's actually a nice cop. This, ooh, so you guys see that it has the pants there. So you've got this nice work jacket. It's got the cacti, and once again with the ingredients, you get the cacti in the back. That is dope as hell. That is so sick. This is going for 150 bucks. And then the pants going for $120. You do have the little logo on the right, and you got the little logo on the left, and just a nice brown work pants. That's crazy. I like, actually that dude, if, this is a fire fit. If I was going to put this together, like, that's a fire fit, guys. Moving on to the shorts, we got the Cacti Oasis outdoor shorts, 70 bucks. These are dope. Honestly, I like this a lot. That's crazy. Really nice. I would cop, for sure. Ooh, these are fire. We got Heritage 3M soccer shorts. Oh, so you can tell that the silver part is 3M. Nice. That's actually really sick. That's a nice cop. Oh, this is even nicer. They've got this in like a nice brown. And again, it's got the same design, but it's in brown. That's going to be fire for summertime. Summertime is around the corner. Oh, this is sick. Cacti hair steel trucker hat. That's sick. Okay, then it also has a patch at the side. I don't know how I feel about that, but I don't know. That's cool, I guess. And you see the embroidery. And yeah, there you go. 50 bucks, not bad. We got the cacti canvas hat. Too clean. Nice. This is sick too. 50 bucks, not bad. This in black, that's awesome. Yeah, this is cool. $45 USD. Pretty clean. We've got the cacti logo beanie, and it's just got the cacti in the front and the little logo in the back. 45 bucks. Oh, I like these. I like these a lot. Agave socks. Yes, 100%. I like these. I would honestly want to go for like the... I mean, it all comes in the 3-pack anyways, but I do really like the yellow ones, like the mustard yellow on the right, $55. I'm kind of considering copying these. Sock game needs to go stupid hard this summer, so I don't know. I'm considering those. Ooh, we got the cacti slides. Yeah, that's fire. Okay. Not too bad, $98, but ships into like 9 to 12 weeks. Oh my gosh, that's a long ass time. That's like 2 months. Literally 2 months, $98. We've got the down to earth towel. That's really cool. You've got the everything that you see on the t-shirts on this towel. Fire. We've got the cactus cans towel. Oh, you have all the cans, which is really cool. That's actually sick. Ooh, that's really sick. You've got all these different flavors. I really want to try these now. This guy, Travis Scott, shouts out to you, man. You are literally branding the crap out of your new stuff like crazy. You are the marketing genius, man. Ooh, ping pong ball set. Oh, obviously because you're going to play some beer pong, 20 bucks and you get little branded. Nice. Cacti steel rubber koozie, of course. You can put that on your drink and still have that sick brand. That's fire. 22 bucks, not too bad at all. Yeah, sick. And we've got this cacti bottle opener keychain. Super fire. You can always have it with you. 25 bucks. Oh, okay. I'm going to buy this right now. The cacto clock. I'm buying this right now. That is something I'm buying right now. That is so sick. Yes. This is what we're copying right now. I'm going to cop this right now, guys. 9 to 12 weeks. I'm going to get this in 2 months. Oh, man. Cacti steel soccer ball. This is fire, too. This would be a nice display piece, honestly. That's $75. See? Ooh, cacti. Oh, this is a frog? Oh, that's fire. $250. $250. This is dope, though. Honestly, this is really sick. That's unique. I've never seen anything before. And that is the list of everything that just dropped literally right now. I just got the notification for that. So you can see it says drop.drinkcacti.com. Not too bad at all. I think, though, for real, I'm going to grab this Cacti Icon Heritage crew neck. And I think I'm definitely going to go for the socks. And I'm definitely going to go for this clock right here. Let me know in the comments down below what are you guys going to go for. And if you have not subscribed to the channel already, then please hit the subscribe button and smash the like button. Turn on the notification bell so you guys do not miss anything. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below which one you guys are going to cop right now. Is this a cop or is it a drop? Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. Peace!